Hi students, today we're moving on to capacity as well as volume. Okay, so two very interesting concepts on page 131 and 143. So first thing first, we got to know the measurement of capacity. Okay, 1000 milliliters. Okay, is a small m with a capital L. Okay, because you also have another ml here, so it's megaliters. Okay, so we got to distinguish the two of them. That's how you present them. So 1000 milliliters is 1 liter. 1000 liters is 1 kiloliters. 1 million liters is 1 megaliters. So 1000 kiloliters is actually 1 megaliter. Okay, just bear that in mind. Okay, not difficult to understand actually. And then from here, you're supposed to make some estimate. So make a judgment. Okay, medicine, do you use ml, liters, kiloliters, megaliters to measure? Okay, so just put a tick accordingly. So after that, you're supposed to do some conversion, which is quite interesting. So again, let's look at D, 6,000 liters. Okay, look at liters and kiloliters, liters and kiloliters. It's related to 1,000, isn't it? So smaller unit, you want to go convert to a bigger unit. That's why you actually divide by 1,000, isn't it? So that's how you get 60 kiloliters. Okay, so and then what about H here? You have 2 million milliliters to liters. Milliliters to liters, okay, a smaller unit to a bigger unit again. So you got to divide by 1,000. So that's how you get 2,000 liters. Okay, so question 13, these are problem solving question. Okay, we use A as an example. The pool is being filled at a rate of 5,000 liters per minute. How many kiloliters will the pool contain after 30 minutes? So again, you're going to find out how much water is in the pool after 30 minutes. So it's 5,000 times 30. You get 150,000 liters. Then we want to convert into kiloliters. So we know that liters and kiloliters is related by 1,000. That's why you divide by 1,000. You actually get 150 kiloliters of water in the pool, right? Okay. So next part, also very interesting. You're talking about cubic meters. Okay, it's a volume. So I hope all of you can visualize how big is actually a 1 cubic meter box. Okay, meaning it's 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. Okay, try to visualize that and then answering these questions about which of this. Okay, like for example, a tent, is it less than 1 meter cube, about 1 meter cube, or more than 1 meter cube in terms of space? So even in tents, it can be a very small one, can be a big one, isn't it? So in fact, I think all these three are acceptable. Okay, but a classroom, you cannot say is less than 1 meter cube, isn't it? So think about it, which is more appropriate. Okay, so make a judgment and answer them accordingly. Okay, a cubby house is about 1 meter cube. So especially those cubby house that we can place in the rompers, for young children to play, isn't it? Or if you're looking at the one that you want to fix on outside the house or on a treetop, then it must be more than 1 meter cube, isn't it? So it really depends on the situation. So next part is about talking about volume of the building. Okay, so let's use A as an example. You have length, width, and height. So to get the volume is basically 6 meters times 4 meters times 10 meters. You work it out, you get 240 meters cubed as the volume of the building. Okay, so 13 is an interesting question. In fact, it's a thinking question. Okay, so how do we solve this problem? Okay, first and foremost, we have a 1 meter cube. Okay, because it's a cubic meter, right? Cubic, so it's 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. So we got to ask ourselves, how many 50 cm can we put along the, let's say, the height here? Seems like we can only put 2, isn't it? What about along the length here? Again, you can put another 2. What about the width here? Again, you can put another 2, isn't it? So in total, you can actually put 2 by 2 by 2, which is 8. So you can put 8 50 cm cube into a cubic meter box. Okay? Make sense? Okay, good. So that's all for our lesson today. So I hope all of you could understand what I've explained to you. If you are not sure, just drop me a note on Teams or direct message. Okay, bye-bye.